What's up, YouTube fam? This is Tim from Backyard Boys, and this is episode 1 of my 2015 Nissan GTR rebuild. A little story on the car. I got the car about 3 months ago. I was out of country for 3 months, and I got the car while I was out of country, so I didn't see the car or anything. And being out for so long gave me the opportunity to buy all the parts. So I have a new quarter panel, a new door, a fender, a bumper, etc. for the car. As you can see, the car is a little bit partially dismantled right now, and that's because I accidentally formatted my SD and I lost a couple hours of footage, which is pretty sad, but I guess life moves on. Little story on me. I've been working on cars since I was 15 years old. I had my first car was a Mazda Miata, a gnarly sports car. Ever since then, I probably had about 30 cars, and which were my personal cars that I rebuilt. And currently, right before this, I rebuilt my 2011 E92 M3, which I'll show you guys in the video here in a little bit. My buddies took delivery on this car since I wasn't home, so they took a little bit of footage for me, and I'll add that into the video so you guys can see. Alrighty, enjoy. First drive. Says we got a flat tire. Other than that, she's a runner. Get her up the street. Driving kid to get to the neighborhood because of all the snow. Okay, did you see what's out in there? Take a look here. So we got radiator. See that? All slammed up on there. We're gonna jack up the car right now. The wheel off. Awesome. We got one secret one. Okay guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We got the car delivered down to my buddy's house where I'm going to be working on it. And about the lost footage, sorry about that. I even downloaded a program, paid, tried to recover the footage, and no luck. So sorry about that. And I'm going to show you my M3 right now. And stay tuned for part 2 where we're going to tear apart the car, examine some damage. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is my 2011 E92 M3 competition package. This thing was hit up front, the hood, bumper replaced, headlights replaced. I did split the headlights to install custom halo rings, as you can see. She's a beauty, man. It runs so good. Best daily I've ever had. I've had about 3 of these, and every time I sell them, I regret selling them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know how I did. I'll see you in the next one.